AI image enhancers are powerful, but they're not magic. A lot of people upload a blurry photo, click Enhance, and expect a perfect result in seconds. Sometimes, it looks incredible. Other times, it looks weird, over-sharpened, or completely fake. In this video, I'll explain when AI image enhancers actually work best and when they don't, so you can fix blurry photos the right way and avoid disappointment. Let's start with when AI image enhancers work well. They're excellent for slightly blurry images. Photos that lost sharpness due to small camera shake, light motion blur, soft focus, or image compression usually improve a lot. Edges become clearer, text looks sharper, faces look more defined, without looking unnatural. AI tools are also great for thumbnails, social media images, profile photos, and even old photos that are still recognizable. If the main shapes and details are there, AI can enhance them surprisingly well. Now, let's talk about when AI enhancers don't work well. If an image is extremely blurry, heavily pixelated, or completely out of focus, AI can't magically recreate details that never existed. It doesn't restore reality, it guesses. That's why results may look artificial, waxy, or overly sharpened. Another limitation is very low-resolution images. AI can upscale and sharpen them, but it won't perfectly recreate fine textures like skin pores, fabric details, or complex patterns. So how do you get the best possible results? First, treat AI enhancers as a recovery tool, not a miracle tool. Always start with the best version of the image you have. Avoid pushing enhancement sliders too far, and always preview the result before downloading. Small improvements usually look more realistic than extreme ones. When used correctly, AI image enhancers can save photos that would otherwise be deleted, without Photoshop, without editing skills, and without spending hours fixing details manually. If you want more smart tools and realistic tech tips like this, you'll find them right here on this channel. Thanks for watching. If this video was useful for you, make sure to subscribe so you never miss our upcoming content.